Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths Club. So today our question is x minus y is equal to 80. It is our equation number 1, and next one is square root of x plus square root of y is equal to 20. So it is our equation number 2. So we have to find the value of x and y. So now first of all we are going to write this. It is our equation 1 and similarly it is our equation 2. So now that we have to divide this equation 1 by equation 2, then we just write here that dividing equation 1 by equation 2. Then we have here the left hand side of equation 1 is x minus y. So dividing this with left hand side of equation 2, which is square root of x plus square root of y, is equal to that at right hand side of equation 1 is 80. It is divided by 20. Now we have just divided equation 1 by equation 2. Now we are just writing here that x minus y over square root of x plus square root of y. Now multiplying this on left hand side of this equation by its conjugate, so it is square root of x minus square root of y over square root of x minus square root of y, which is equal to 80 divided by 20, which is equal to 4. So here we have just divided with conjugate. Hence our next step is just multiplying numerator. Then we have x minus y times square root of x minus square root of y all over that square root of x times square root of x, we get square root of x whole square minus square root of y whole square. It is actually that algebraic identity that we have used, that a plus b times a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So it is equal to 4. Now here we see that x minus y times square root of x minus square root of y over, here we get cancelling square with square root, we have x, and similarly this square with square root we have y. So x minus y, which is equal to 4. Now that cancelling x minus y with x minus y, then we have square root of x minus square root of y is equal to 4. So let us consider it is our equation number 3. Now we are going to add equation number 2 and equation number 3. So we have our equation number 2 is here, it is square root of x plus square root of y is equal to 20. So it is our equation number 2. Now we are going to add equation 2 and equation 3. Then we have left hand side of equation 2 is, it is equation 2. So square root of x plus square root of y is equal to 20. So adding left hand side of equation 2 with left hand side of equation number 3, it is square root of x minus square root of y, which is equal to 4. So now adding these two equations, then we have here x square root and x square root, we have 2 square root of x and plus square root of y minus square root of y, cancelling these two, then we have 20 plus 4 is 24. So dividing both side by 2, then cancelling 2 with 2, here it is square root of x is equal to 12. So now if we take square at both sides, then we have here square and 12 square. So cancelling 2 with square root, we have x is equal to 12 square is equal to 144. So it is our value of x. Now we are going to find the value of y. So putting this value in equation number 1. Recalling our equation 1, which is equation 1 implies that x minus y is equal to 80. So putting value of x, that x is 144. Here it is. So putting 144 minus y is equal to 80. So now 144, Here shifting this 80, then we have minus 80, and shifting this minus y to right hand side we get plus y. So y is equal to 144 minus 80 is equal to 64. So it is our value of y. Now we have find out the value of x and value of y. So we have just check our result by putting these values in our equation 1 and equation number 2. So now let us verify our result. So for this purpose we are going to write our first equation number 1 and then second. So putting now using equation 1, which is x minus y is equal to 80. Here we have x is equal to 144 and y is equal to 64. Putting these two values, then we get 144 minus y is 64, which is equal to 80. So now 144 minus 64 is equal to 80, and 80 is equal to 80. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So first equation is verified, hence value of x and y is true. Similarly, putting same values in equation 2, then we have equation 2, recalling our equation 2, which is square root of x plus square root of y is equal to 20. Now here value of x is 144, square root plus y is, that is 64, square root of 64, which is equal to 20. So now square root of 144 is equal to 12 plus square root of 64 is equal to 8. Right hand side is 20. So 12 plus 8 is equal to 20, and then 20 is equal to 20. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. It is verified that equation 2 is also verified. So our two values of x and y, that it is valid for this problem, this equation 1 and equation number 2. So we are going to check our solution step by step. Here, that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.